Hey, internet surfers, get ready to relive the viral moments that had us all talking. From Kim Kardashian's infamous champagne glass pose to Beyonce's stunning pregnancy announcement, these pictures captured our attention and broke the internet. Join us as we take a trip down memory lane and revisit the 10 photos that had the world buzzing. Kim Kardashian's paper magazine cover. In 2014, Kim Kardashian broke the internet by posing for Paper magazine with a champagne glass resting on her famous derriere. The photo went viral and generated millions of clicks, likes, and shares. Ellen DeGeneres' Oscar selfie. In 2014, Ellen DeGeneres took a selfie with several A-list celebrities at the Oscars, including Bradley Cooper, Jennifer Lawrence, and Meryl Streep. The photo was retweeted more than 3 million times, making it the most retweeted photo ever. Beyoncé's pregnancy announcement. In 2017, Beyoncé announced her pregnancy with a photo of herself kneeling in front of a floral arrangement, cradling her baby bump. The photo received over 11 million likes on Instagram and broke the record for the most liked photo on the platform. Caitlyn Jenner's Vanity Fair cover. In 2015, Caitlyn Jenner graced the cover of Vanity Fair, revealing her new name and identity after transitioning from male to female. The photo went viral and sparked a conversation about transgender rights and acceptance. The dress. In 2015, a photo of a dress went viral on social media, as people debated whether it was white and gold or blue and black. The image sparked a global debate and even led to scientific studies about how people perceive color. Prince Harry's nude photos. In 2012, photos of Prince Harry in the nude surfaced online, causing a media frenzy. The photos were reportedly taken during a game of strip billiards in Las Vegas and were widely shared on social media. Jennifer Lawrence's leaked photos. In 2014, Jennifer Lawrence's private photos were leaked online after her iCloud account was hacked. The incident raised concerns about privacy and cybersecurity, and led to a public discussion about the objectification of women in the media. Rihanna's CFDA dress. In 2014, Rihanna wore a sheer, Swarovski-encrusted gown to the CFDA Awards, which left little to the imagination. The photo of her outfit went viral and sparked a debate about body shaming and the freedom to express oneself through fashion. Justin Bieber's Calvin Klein ad. In 2015, Justin Bieber posed for a series of ads for Calvin Klein, showing off his toned physique. The photos caused a stir on social media, with some praising Bieber's physique, while others criticized the images as being overly sexualized. Kylie Jenner's lip challenge. In 2015, Kylie Jenner started a trend on social media called the Kylie Jenner lip challenge, where people tried to plump their lips using a shot glass or suction cup. The trend quickly went viral and generated millions of clicks and views, but also raised concerns about the dangers of social media challenges. Thanks for watching. Which of these 10 pictures do you think had the biggest impact on the internet? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting content.